Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a small garage gym. So the mat that you see right here in my garage gym is 9 by 12 feet, okay? So with that, it really doesn't take up a lot of room. This is the centerpiece of my home gym, in which it's the RipFit M1 version 2.0 Smith Machine Power Rack. And so with this though, you can see that it really doesn't occupy so much space. I've got my rack right over there, I've got my dumbbells over there, and then I've got my foldable compact bench, which I'm able to move very easily between here and here. But if you're interested in this type of setup, I'll leave a link to these down below in the description where you can check out all the items online. But overall, I'm very pleased with it. Initially, I had this entire section here occupied with shelves, but after decongesting, donating, and selling a bunch of different items, this is what I've been able to achieve. So I'm still able to do like floor weight exercises over here. I'm still able to do free weight Olympic bar exercises on the front. I'm also able to work out within the rack itself. But yeah, this is my small garage gym. And so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.